Kettlebell swing versus deadlift. What's the difference? Now, they're both hinge movements, hip hinge, where the hips are coming back and we're driving forward. But the comparisons and similarities kind of end right there. When you're doing a deadlift, so if I'm gonna show you with the kettlebell here, I'm loaded low, I'm coming up, we're getting that shortening here, we're getting the lengthening as we come down under control. A kettlebell swing is a dynamic, ballistic movement where you're actually using momentum, unlike many other exercises. So yes, there's a good amount of glute activation through the top. There's not a lot of tension, constant tension through the glutes. But people will say a kettlebell swing is a great glute exercise. Not really. It works the glutes, it stimulates them, but not maximally. So you're not getting under eccentric failure or concentric failure with enough stimulating reps to grow the booty. So here's the difference. Now here's how to do a kettlebell swing. A lot of times people start this and they do this weird squat front raise motion with that CrossFit crap where they're coming over their head. No, that's not good. What you want to do is start with that kettlebell in front of you. Hips here and your feet about shoulder width apart. You're going to start with that kettlebell away from you. So I'm already naturally in that nice position where my hips are pushed back. You're going to use the momentum to lift this up and it's going to come back. So the hips are the driving force for the kettlebell. So we're coming up, it's coming underneath, and I'm driving forward. My torso is coming forward, I'm squeezing the glutes to the top. I am not using my arms. I'm letting that momentum from my hips come and guide the motion. So this is pretty much all concentric as opposed to eccentric loading, lengthening, and that contraction. That is your difference from a kettlebell swing and a deadlift.